wrapping paper. Welcome back. Sorry it's been a little while. Today I've got a Five Below haul with some blind boxes and Hello Kitty and Friends stuff. I've also got some really cool boots. I've got a tank top. I've got some other little goodies from Five Below. Boots and the tank top are not from Five Below. They're from Dolls Kill and Revice. So let's get into opening this stuff. We've got these Hello Kitty stickers here. Gonna check these out. Wish I knew if they were like $3 or $5 so I could tell you guys, but I did not see the receipt. Sweet, they come in a pouch. I'm tricky with this background package a little bit, thinking that you're gonna get a little bit more than you are, but there's still a good amount in there, and they're cute. This sticker book right here is really cool because there's glitter stickers in there, like that one. All these ones are glittery. Some glitter ones in here. There's even holographic ones in here somewhere too. Look at that. So I'm gonna enjoy these. Super fun. Cinnamon roll. He's so cute. Oh, he's so cool. He's like metal or like ceramic or something. It's nice. He's cold. We're gonna open the microphone, and then I'm gonna plug it in. I got the red one because I thought it looked the best. I had 3 different options. It's got remix options, and a lot of different buttons on the back. So interested to try this out once it's charged. Did it come with a charger? Probably not. Oh, it did. It did come with a charger. Next, we got this blanket. I know that this is $7, so let's see if it's actually big. I mean, it says how big it is on it, but I don't know. Is it for kids or for adults? Is it for Gingy? It's probably not for large amounts of warmth, but it's like a light chill. You might want something like this. Did you like it? What you think? Yeah, check it out. Next, we'll go ahead and check out this Hello Kitty car and this Chromie scooter. Look at how cool this controller is. Look at her. And this little remote that goes back and forth. It like goes in like little segments if you just push the button, and you gotta hold it. Oh, if you really want it to go. What I got the first time I went to Five Below when I found out they had Five Below blind boxes. I got Tuxedo Sam, a little car, and it actually rolls, and I actually got 2 more of those because they're freaking awesome, and I want to have more than one. And then I got the Terrifier, and I actually got the one I wanted, the more feminine one out of all of them. I mean, besides the actual girl. I really wanted that one, or I wanted the one with this one. And then I got a little crying chromie out of a different blind box. I was really happy with those. Start with the car ones because where did I put the scissors? Certain chrome ones have the tuxedo sound. Okay, and little packages like this. Pom pom, very cute too. These are golden retrievers. And just going for it. Yes. Third time's a charm. I got the Kuromi one. Go ahead and do this pretty one. Okay. That's pretty crazy. Kuromi is definitely my favorite, but I like a lot of them. I like, cinnamon roll. I don't know which one I'm doing right now, but it is the pajama party blind box. It's really cute. 2 more blind boxes, and I can show you the other stuff. This one here. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This is the one I wanted. It's another Kuromi thing, and it's got black on the inside with silver sparkle stars. Oh shit. I wanted that one. Max says if I get Kuromi, he wants Kuromi. He's a little frog guy. I got that vibe. So, come on. Cinnamon roll. Look at him. It took me forever to find the power button. The remix button in the center is supposed to do different sound effects. So, what's this one? It's squeaky. Go back to normal. So, I got a few other knickknacks from Five Below. I got these stickers that are Gravity Falls. Love that show. Got these Friday the 13th socks. Camp Crystal Lake and Jason. I got these glow in the dark ducks. And then I got some other stuff here. And that too. Revice. I ordered more than one thing from Revice, but it always takes forever when you order anything with jeans or denim. So my skirt is probably gonna take a while to come. My jeans took like 3 months to come, 2 months. But I'm excited for the skirt. And this is embroidered. On the website, you can't really tell if it's embroidered unless you read the description. So I'm really excited for this tank top. We're gonna be going to some rock concerts this summer. Well, one with some really big bands, 9 bands. It's got Buckcherry, it's got Skillet, it's got Theory of a Dead Man, and a ton more. I'm really hoping my angel skirt comes by then, because it's like got angel wings on the butt, and it's got like right by the pocket here, it's got embroidered Revice. So this is the Revice tank top. Pretty standard tank top. It's extra tight. I like it. It's good. Next, I got these crazy boots from Dolls Kill. Very crazy boots from Dolls Kill. Oh shit. That wrapping paper is so dope. I'm gonna save that. That's awesome. I had to take a picture of that. It's amazing. I'm gonna try to keep it as good as I can. Ooh. I already have over the knee boots, and these are supposed to be under the knee, but they are. I was not expecting them to be like this nice, you know. My other pair of leather boots are like floppy. These are not floppy. It comes with a strap to tighten. The biggest thing on the reviews is it said that zippers were a little cheap. They don't feel cheap, they feel like heavy duty, but they do get stuck. There's a pocket there, that one's not too big. But I can hold like cards and stuff. I needed to put like a little card holder in there. This one's a little bigger, you could put like lip glosses. Maybe a little coin purse in there with some money or whatever. Yeah, definitely not big enough for a phone or anything, but it's pretty cool that they have pockets and it's on both of them too. Let me get the other one out. Man, these are cool. I can't wait to try them on for you guys, but there's pockets on both sides. They look pretty darn cute and badass. Let's get it. These are the boots here. I need to find a better way to tie them because they're long, and then also around the ankle, it doesn't go as tight as my ankles are, so it's a little loose. So I'm gonna have to poke a hole and do that. I really like that they have pockets and how they look, so I'm definitely still gonna wear these. You guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. Next time I'm gonna definitely be showing you guys my house. So stay tuned for that.